if I go slower, but nobody wants to go 65 miles per hour on the expressway, because I will get over 30 easy if I'm doing 65 to 70. This is with a manual though. In an automatic, it's a little bit of a different story from what I've seen. I've driven an automatic with 3.73's, and I did a quick miles per gallon test. If you guys have seen the video where I reviewed Zach's car, that was pretty bad. I think we were getting about 14 or 15 driving around about 60 miles an hour something on there. So yeah, so you'll get worse miles per gallon. You'll see a big decrease in automatics. With manuals, you can control your RPMs a little more around town. And then on the highway, even though the manuals are geared higher than the automatic, as far as the transmission gearing, it's weird to see that the automatic still gets way less gas mileage. But yeah, so if you guys were curious, and we're around town driving right now. I'm still recording, I shouldn't be, but we're getting up to 32 right now almost. So just wanted to show you guys miles per gallon 3.73's in case you guys are worried about losing gas mileage. You really won't lose that much. Thanks.